Welcome to New High Education AI Tutor application, Ghana's premier smart learning companion for SHS students. At New High Education, we believe every student deserves clear explanations, guided support, and the confidence to learn at their own pace. That is why we created an AI-powered tutor, perfectly aligned with Ghana's national curriculum assessment standards to support SHS 1, SHS 2, and SHS 3 learners with lessons, questions and answers, study guidance, and progress tracking. Whether you are preparing for class, revising for exams, or trying to understand a difficult topic, the New High Education AI Tutor application is here to help you learn smarter. Our platform supports students across key subjects, helping them build knowledge step by step in a simple and friendly way. For parents, teachers, and schools, NHE brings modern digital learning closer to every learner. New High Education AI Tutor application, empowering Ghanaian students through smart, accessible, AI-powered education.
Let's work through each fraction question step by step with clear explanations and practical tips. These types of questions are common in SHS 1 mathematics and are important for both exams and real-life problem solving. 1. Simplify the following. A. Open bracket, 1 2/7 minus 1/3, close bracket, plus 1 3/4. Step 1. Convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. First, let's change all mixed numbers to improper fractions. 1 2/7 becomes 9/7 because 1 times 7 plus 2 gives us 9/7. Similarly, 1 3/4 becomes 7/4 since 1 times 4 plus 3/4. Take note of this. Always convert mixed numbers before you start any operations. Step 2. Work inside the brackets. Now let's solve 9/7 minus 1/3. To subtract these, we need a common denominator. The lowest common multiple of 7 and 3 is 21. So 9/7 becomes 27/21, and 1/3 becomes 7/21. Subtracting gives us 20/21. This is where many students make a mistake. Always check your denominators before subtracting. Step 3. Add the second mixed number. Now, add 20/21 to 7/4. The lowest common multiple of 21 and 4 is 84. So, 20/21 becomes 80/84, and 7/4 becomes 147/84. Adding these gives us 227/84. Step 4. Write as a mixed number. Now let's convert 227/84 to a mixed number. 84 goes into 227 two times, with a remainder of 59. So the answer is 2 59/84. Final answer for part A, 2 59/84. B, 5/6 divided by 2/3 plus open bracket, 1/4 times 3/5, close bracket minus 1/2. Step 1, division of fractions. First, 5/6 divided by 2/3. Remember, to divide fractions, multiply by the reciprocal, so 5/6 times 3/2. Multiply the numerators. 5 times 3 is 15. Multiply the denominators. 6 times 2 is 12. So we get 15/12, which simplifies to 5/4. Step 2, multiplication in the brackets. Now 1/4 times 3/5. Multiply the numerators. 1 times 3 is 3. Multiply the denominators. 4 times 5 is 20. So we get 3/20. Step 3, add and subtract fractions. Now add 5/4 and 3/20, then subtract 1/2. The lowest common multiple of 4, 20, and 2 is 20. 5/4 becomes 25/20. 3/20 stays the same. 1/2 becomes 10/20. Now add and subtract. 25 plus 3 minus 10 gives 18/20. Simplify this to 9/10. Final answer for part B, 9/10. Summary of final answers. For part A, the answer is 2 59/84. For part B, the answer is 9/10. Practical Ghana-based example. Imagine you are sharing food at a family gathering. If you have 1 2/7 bowls of rice and you give away 1/3 of a bowl, then later add 1 3/4 bowls, how much rice do you have in total? This is exactly the type of calculation you did in part A. This shows how fractions are used in real life, especially in sharing and budgeting. Key tips for fractions. Always convert mixed numbers to improper fractions first. Find the lowest common denominator for addition and subtraction. For division, multiply by the reciprocal. Always simplify your final answer and write improper fractions as mixed numbers unless told otherwise. These tips will help you avoid common mistakes and save time in exams. Common mistakes. Some common mistakes include forgetting to convert mixed numbers, not finding the correct lowest common multiple, not simplifying the final answer, and mixing up multiplication and division rules for fractions. Be careful with these steps, especially under exam pressure. Extension beyond curriculum. Beyond the curriculum, it's useful to know that these fraction skills are essential for budgeting, cooking, and sharing resources in daily life and business in Ghana and worldwide. Mastery of fractions builds a strong foundation for algebra and higher mathematics. Exam tip. Always show you're working clearly and simplify your answers. This helps you get full marks and makes it easier to check your work. Quick check question. What is 3 over 5 plus 1 over 10? Try to solve it using the steps we discussed.